Hello, welcome back. This is South Carolina Board Game Couple, or SCBGC. Today is a very important day because it's Liz's birthday.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
And awesomely enough, we did get our mystery box from AEG's Daily Dice Deals. So we're going to go ahead and open that up and see what we got.
I'm excited.
There you go. Careful with the knife.
Yeah. I wonder what it is. I'm excited.
Alright.
There's a couple games that I'm crossing my fingers that it is, but we'll see. A surprise is a surprise. I love surprises too, so.
So you have to first close the knife. Alright. Ready?
Yes.
Alright. So our first game is...
Oh, there's more than one game in this?
I believe so. One,
Uh-oh.
two, three...
He's keeping it a surprise for me. He's not letting me see it.
4? There's 4 games in here.
4?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Alright, so the first one is Love Letter,
Aww.
but it's Love Letter Adventure Time.
Oh my goodness, I love Adventure Time.
Yeah.
Ah, yes. This
PB on there, Princess Bubblegum.
Oh, that's fun. Here. I've never played. Oh, it's a purse game, probably. And shiny token.
I think it is going to be a purse game.
So that's one of them.
Yep. Alright, number 2 is Number Drop. This looks like a roll and write.
Oh, we were just talking about we did not have enough roll and writes. So
I think our big roll and writes
roar and write.
But,
huh.
Yeah, I've never really heard anything about that.
It's a 20-minute game. 1 to 6 people. It does look like a roll
and write.
Roll and write.
Alright, so
Uh-oh.
little backstory about this. I ordered this back in May, I think, like late May. I want to say it was like May 4th because I remember something like that. Yeah, it was May 4th. May the 4th be with you. That's why I remember it. Yeah, and I was getting worried, and I reached out to them, and they're like, "Oh, well, we're waiting on something for the mystery deal." And I was like, "Oh, okay." So for those of you who didn't know, AEG had a Kickstarter recently. And I backed it because I was like, oh, that looks really, really cool. We actually already have it on our Instagram page. But we got another copy of Shake That City.
Shake That City! That's a good one. I like that one.
It is a good one.
It's a very chill game, but it's strategy. Yeah,
it's like lighter weight Tiny Towns, I would say. More luck-based. I shouldn't say lighter weight. Just more luck-based. And it comes with a cool little shaker.
That is a lot of fun.
Alright, and the last game, I know you're going to like it because I personally like it.
I see something with food.
It is about food.
Yes, I love food.
Waffle Time.
Waffle Time. What's the Waffle Time is about? I don't think I've heard of this one.
Alright, Waffle Time actually just came out recently too. It's a 2023 game. So this came out this year as well. Alright, so it says, let me read Waffle Times. Alright, Waffle Time is an unreleased game, so it's not even out yet.
Wow, okay, that's cool.
That will be featured at Big Game Night. There is not a set release date for this game, so this is going to be really cool for us. Something that they've never done. We're one of the few people that's getting a sneak peek of it. And they did not send this to us for anything like that. This is literally like, we got it on their Daily Dice Deals. So that's really cool. Number Drop, all new unreleased game also. That's why I haven't heard anything about it. Says that's coming out at Gen Con.
And then Shake That City, which was a Kickstarter
Shake That City,
game.
most recently Kickstarter, yep. And finally, a game from Personal Supply that is not items that you purchase of the mystery box and is not for sale.
Oh.
This is a gift to thank you for trusting AEG to give you a great mystery box experience. I squirreled away some copies of some of our older games. I recently discovered them and was wondering what I could do with them. When we had the idea for the mystery deal sale, it seemed like a great opportunity to put one of the only remaining copies of the much desired and long unavailable Adventure Time Love Letter.
Cool.
That's really cool.
Huh. I love Adventure Time. They
got
good quotes.
So, all these are 2023 games, and this one's like an old one that's back.
But they don't make it anymore.
They don't make it anymore. Yeah, it's discontinued. Cool. This one, we have played this one. I will say this one's a lot of fun. Yeah, it says it's 20 to 40 minutes. If it doesn't really last 40 minutes. Maybe
20 to 30 is more.
Yeah, it's really cool. I have like we have the expansion as well.
We haven't played the expansion yet.
We have not.
We should.
Yeah. Like definitely if you don't have it, get it. These two, I'm excited. I've seen a lot of people like on Instagram posting about this.
Really?
So yeah, like a lot of the people who get boxes from AEG have gotten review copies of this. I've heard like great things.
Looks like some
Draft combinations. It looks like it might be like a
drafting
game.
Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to play it.
Yeah,
It's
we'll
my
let you know.
birthday. We can play it today.
Yeah, and then like I said, I'm excited for this. We were actually looking at some roll and writes.
And we were like, we don't have enough.
Yeah, we do not have enough. But yeah, those are the games. I think it costs $40, and I'll say this: like this alone,
It's worth it.
It's worth it. Definitely worth it.
I mean, all these games are probably worth it. I mean, AEG games are they're good.
They are
Yeah, I
very
like
well.
them.
The components are very well put together. All right, so that's our mystery box. I personally think it was worth it.
I think it was worth it too.
Yeah.
Which is very exciting.
I'm
Why
really
do you
excited
have
for these
shake
two.
that city all the way
I'm
over
sorry,
here?
There we go. We'll put that one in there too. Sorry. So yeah, I'm excited. Which one are you most excited to play?
Waffle Time, because I like food. And it just looks cute. I like cute games, and I'm not very good at roll and write games, so we'll see if I'm good at this one. And then Adventure Time just has some fun. I like Adventure Time. They have good one-line sayings, so we'll see how this one goes. And it's a purse game. It fits in your purse. And Shake That City is classic.
This might actually be able to be a purse game too.
Yeah, that could fit in my book bag purse. So
yeah,
this is you can definitely.
That's definitely ticket to our favorite brewery.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Which one are you excited about?
I don't know.
He's excited about all of them.
I think I'm kind of with you with Waffle Time. I've heard, like I said, I've heard a lot of good things.
Play that one
I've literally never seen number drop from anyone, not even pre-release ones that they give the Instagram to review, not even review copies.
Yes, we will have to play it and review it.
I'm 100% down for that. I think we should review all of them. I think we already did one for Shake That City, right?
I think we played it and did a post, but we didn't actually
We kind of did a feature on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But thanks for tuning in. That was really exciting.
Yeah.
And a little special surprise for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right. So thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.